sunshine here in my hands. I have my September Smartass and Sass box. I look forward to this box more and more. It definitely kind of puts me a little bit outside of my comfort zone because I definitely like keeping everything PG. But if you watch my videos with children, this is your warning. This box is definitely suggestible. So if you like to keep your kids around like a lot more G or PG content, I would recommend watching another video, but that is your fair warning. There are some cuss words in this box. Really like how this box has a lot of useful stuff in it. I really like that it's not just like a lot of collectibles. I hate it when companies send out collectibles that just collect dust. Like, send me stuff that's useful. I love the notebooks and the post-it notes that I get and the pens that I've gotten in the past. My mom loves all the towels that I give her from this box. So there's a lot of useful stuff in this box. There's only been like a box or two that I've been unhappy with because it's had some like collectible stuff that hasn't been super useful. So this one's theme is Rise and Grind. I can't wait for October. October is gonna be so freaking amazing. I can't wait. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, the first thing that I'm pulling out is a mug. And I don't think I'm gonna read this one. It says, "You are doing a great effing job." Oh my gosh, I'm gonna give this to my boyfriend. Yes, he's been like doing so good at his new job, and I'm just so proud of him. And maybe if I give him this, he'll be like, like excited. Cause he's a tea drinker and he's in the need for some mugs, but I like this. This is very different, and I like that it's a ceramic mug. Like, I don't see those too often anymore. Okay, the next thing that I'm pulling out. Oh yeah. Ooh, I'm so excited. It's a freaking gel eye mask. Yes. Oh my gosh. Yes. It says punch today in the face if you are curious at what it says. But yes, I'm gonna squish it. Oh yes, freeze this. Put it on top of your eyes. Oh my gosh, it's heaven. It really is heaven. Even better if you have a migraine attack. I suffer from chronic migraines. Even though I've gotten them under a lot better control now. Hot shower, hot water on the back of your neck, one of these on the front of your head, and you get a couple minutes of peace, and it's so amazing. But this is so fun. Yes, love it, love it. So excited about that. Okay. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Yes Studio. I think I've gotten pens from them before, and I really, really love them. Keeping It Real Glow Getter. Yes. Okay, let's rip it open. Ugh. Okay, so we have 5 highlighters in here. We have one that says Good Vibes Only, and that's the orange highlighter. The pink one says Slaying It. Then we have the yellow one that says Glow Getter. The teal says Kiss My Neon. And the purple one says hashtag goals. I love these so much. I love color. I love color coordinating. What accent was getting ready to come out of my mouth? I have no idea. But I love the color coordinating. I love highlighters. And these are like positive. And plus they come in this super cute little pencil case. I might give them to my sister though. She's so into stationery. She's a senior in high school. I'm not ready for her to like grow up and be an adult. Like, I just want her to be young forever. Please don't grow up, Annalise. Okay. This is a tea. I haven't ever received a tea in my Smartass and Sass, but this is Wake the F Up and Be Effing Fabulous. Perk yourself up with this delicious and invigorating cinnamon black tea. Annalise loves tea. My younger sister loves tea, so I'm gonna surprise her with this. I'm so excited. Okay. We have a couple more things in here. I'm so excited to see what this is. I just see this giant egg. Oh, I have like blush doing these. Good in bed, and it's breakfast. Like, what is this? Is it like? It's a pot holder. Okay. I don't know, I might give this to my mom and see how she reacts. It would be really funny. I'm sure she'll definitely use it though. But I really like how it's a pocket. Like, that's so handy. I thought it was like, oh, maybe it's like something you could like attach to an apron that doesn't have pockets, but the next thing that I'm pulling out are the sassy stickers and Smartass and Sass. And it says hustle for the vacay. Love these. Love them, love them, love them. I really love like the positive, you know, like mantras that they have in like here. I don't know. I just feel like it's really encouraging. And then the last thing that I'm pulling out, I don't know. Oh, Caribou Moisturizing Coconut Rum body butter and coffee scrub. I have my own vegan and cruelty-free cosmetic line called Little Pearl Cosmetics. We make vegan and cruelty-free lip scrubs, body scrubs, hand sanitizers, lip soaps, everything that you could imagine skincare wise and like self-care and bath products. We make it. Oh, that smells really good. I was expecting it to smell bitter because that's what like a lot of them smell like, but this smells like coffee and vanilla. However, I'm like, why is there this ball like in the, I don't know if you guys can see it. There's like this like ball in the scrub. I don't know how much this is, but we will come back to that. Let's see, this is 2 ounces. We sell lip scrubs this size for $4.95. Here's a sample of, well, this isn't a sample, this is our full size product. Yellow cake batter, all of them are flavored. They're safe to eat. Like, we encourage you to lick it off because they're flavored and they're absolutely delicious. We currently have 88 different flavors to choose from, but they're all $4.95. If you guys are interested, I have a link to that down below, or you can just type in littlepearlcosmetics.com. But I'm very excited to see the pricing of everything in this box. Okay, so the Punch Today in the Face eye mask has a retail value of $10. The Wake the F Up tea sample has a retail value of $2.50 each. Ooh, I can buy a box of tea for that much. The Hustler for the Vacay sticky notes has a retail value of $3. What? The Rise and Grind coffee scrub has a retail value of $10. Okay, our lip scrubs are $4.95. Our body scrubs are 6 ounces, so this times 3. And they're $8.95. So everything's vegan and cruelty free if you want to go check that out. I have a link for that down below. Or again, type in littlepearlcosmetics.com. The highlighter set has a retail value of $11. The mug has a retail value of $15. The Good in Bed pot holder has a retail value of $12. And it says October's theme is like totally retro. Next month is a total throwback to our youth. Angst sold separately. We've got the song lyrics and pop culture references that'll make you want to shoop. It says shoop, I'm not kidding. October's goodies are like totally rad or whatever. I was born in 98, so I grew up in the 2000s, so I don't know. I'm excited to see that. I have to say, I'm so excited about this. I'm so excited to use this tonight. I'm so excited to use this. But I love the highlighters. I love the sticky notes. And there's a lot in here that I love gifting because I really like, there's so much in here, like the cookware my mom absolutely loves. And there's like the other stuff that my sister loves. And it's really fun to be able to like take the fun that this box brings and spread it out to the people that I love and care about. That is everything that I got in my September Smartass and Sass box. What did you guys think of this box? What was your favorite item in it? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.